is David Isamoji. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, my channel is all about design, creative design for passive income. So I create different kind of designs to help you make money from passive income, either creating for yourself or as a freelancer. So for this one today, I'm going to be creating a t-shirt design. So I'm going to go to file. Remember to subscribe if you've not done that already. Like this video if you've not done that already. If you're those loyal viewers that have had on my channel, I really appreciate you guys. This is our second year. We are just a year into this, so thank you once more. So go to new. This is the standard. Make sure you pause the video if you don't have that already and use this. So I'm just gonna click on OK. Do control. I'm gonna do control plus, all right, and control 0 to reduce that. So now that we have that in, we're going to start with our text, and for this one we're going to do something really simple. So for this one we're going to do happiness. All right, it's going to say happiness. So you can see it's quite small. You can increase it either by going through this process of going to do this through the side, which I really don't like. So what I do is to press this button and press Ctrl T. All right, now pressing Ctrl T just gives me that freedom to increase it the way I want to. So I'll move my cursor to this very edge, gives me those 2 pointed arrows. Then I press my Alt key, my Shift key, and my left mouse click button, drag outwards. All right, so now we have it just like that. So it says happiness. So now what I simply need to do is to press enter, press my Alt key button again, and my left mouse click button, drag this text downward. That will duplicate the layer like this. Okay, as you can see, that will duplicate the layer. So now you can see how good looking that is. So I'll just duplicate this. All right, I'll duplicate this, and this one would be on. Simply says on. All right, for this one I want a different text. I would not want. Okay, so this will just be placed on this one like so, and then I'll go to happiness again, and then for this one I'm just gonna do a simple follow-up. Okay, so instead of clicking on that, I'll just duplicate that layer again. All right, so now this is what we're gonna do. Click on text, click on that, Control A, and we're gonna do steroid. All right, so you can see how that would look once you're done. All right, so we have it looking good, not complicated at all. Not complicated at all, if you ask me. So you can just move things around. You can decide to change this on font if you think it's intruding into your design by just clicking on that, Control A, and just change it to something else. All right, okay, so now we have it. It says on happiness on steroids. All right, so you can have it like that. You can decide to move this down a bit so that it makes more sense. Okay, if you feel this will not be easy to understand, you can decide to do it like that. But I like to do my things this way. I like people looking at the shirt and wondering what is written on it. You get the drill. Okay, so I just like doing things the way I do them. You can do yours differently. But back to design. Now that we have this, we close the background by clicking on those eye, you can see, and now we'll go to save as. I already did this before, but I paused the video and I did not realize that, so I'm gonna do it again. I'll do SH, okay, PNG, okay, no, so do SH, okay, let's do SH, okay, that would be better. So now we'll save it as PNG. We're almost done with this design. The next step is just to put it on a 3D mockup. Once this is done saving up, we'll just move it to a 3D mockup. super easy, not complicated at all. So wait for that. Once that is done, we're going to move on to the next and final stage, which is putting on a 3D mockup. It should not take us a lot of time at all. Now that that is done, look at this is the look we are looking for. This is what we want. I'm going to show you this is what we are looking for. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we'll go to pictures, mockups, think mail t-shirt mockup if I'm not wrong. Okay, you can get this mockup if you just search Photoshop t-shirt mockup. You should get free ones like this one. I'll try to get where I got this one from. I can't really remember at the moment, but I'll definitely try to figure that out. So delete that. We don't want that. We just want to bring in our own new design onto this. Okay, so now we have our new design. We just bring that in. Okay, bring that in, right, and reduce it. So now we have our design. Just move it to the middle, go to file, and then save that. Okay, once we're done saving, we can go back to our shirt, and you have it like so. You have it like so. But you can see it's quite big, so we'll go back again and reduce that. Ctrl T. So reduce it because we just want it on the chest. Press enter. Okay, so we have it like so. File again and save that. If you're done saving that, if you go back to your shirt, you should find it on your shirt. You can decide to change the shirt color to something different like so, and you see where we match that design. Press OK. We can save this file, save as, then save it as pictures HON full. Okay, full version. So now you have that full version. Save it as PNG, press save, and you're good to go. This design was super easy, not complicated at all. Press your OK, and now you have your design saving up. Once it's done saving, you can go over and view it, and I'm sure you would like what you've seen. You're right, there will be a playlist shortly. Make sure you check that playlist and watch videos you know watch if you need to. We're back again in January and we are good to go, rolling. So this is how it looks like now on the mockup. Now you can use this as your promotional material for selling your t-shirt. Okay, so with that said, I just want to say thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. I will see you on the next one. Stay blessed. I love you all.